Hey, this is Tyler Troutman with Shure at ISE 2025, here to show you guys our new IntelliMix room kits. And so what these are is this is Shure's first collaboration solution, a Microsoft Teams room, and we have a couple different things in this kit. So we call them kits for a reason, because you get everything in one box. So we have the compute down here that's running the Microsoft Teams room. We have the console to be able to control the Teams call. The Hudley camera, so we partner with Hudley to have different size cameras for different rooms, and then our legendary MXA 902, our all-in-one ceiling array and speaker, all built into one, capturing audio. Even on this showroom floor, we're actually doing live transcriptions, and we can see the accuracy of this, even on a very, very loud floor. As I mentioned, these kits come in 4 different sizes. So we have the Kit 30, which is for small to medium-sized rooms, a Kit 50, which still has a single MXA 902, the 70, which gets you 2 MXA 902s, and the Kit 80, which is same thing, 2 902s, but paired with the Hudley Crew Kit. So for more information on these IntelliMix room kits, please visit our website, shure.com. Thank you.